Sige, aunt yan. Hi. Nasaan ang bird? Tawag mo ang bird, bird. Tawag mo ang bird. Ala, bird. Ala, babay na. Caleb. Bird. Yan. Mo, bird. Bless. Very good, bird. 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 Asan ang bird? Tawag mo, bird. Dog. Cat. Clap, clap, clap. Arms up, arms up. Arms up. Very good ang kilikili. Nasa ng tongue mo? Where's your tongue? Very good. Where's your teeth? Teeth? Ang teeth? Nasaan teeth? Anak, where's your teeth? Hala? Ay, nako, no. Caleb, where's your teeth? Hala, where's your teeth? Sabi mo na lang, hello, tatay. Hello, tatay. Yung gano'n, no, yung ginagawa mo. Hello, tatay. Hello, hello. Yung gano'n, no. Hello. Hello, tatay. Oo. Paano mag-pray in the name of the Father? Paano amen? Amen! Oh, very good. Bird? Where's your tongue? Ay, nagpupupo. Oh, nagpupo ka? Oh? Ay, say bye-bye na, bye-bye. Pupo. Bye-bye na, tatay. Pupo ako right now. Bye-bye.